Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2, a 3D printer that has been getting a lot of attention lately, especially for beginners and hobbyists who want to explore multicolor printing without spending a fortune. Elegoo has packed a lot of features into this printer, and in this video, we'll cover its capabilities, design, features, and why it's creating such a buzz in the 3D printing community. The Centauri Carbon 2 is designed to be friendly for beginners, but it also includes features that experienced users will appreciate. One of its most impressive aspects is the multicolor printing capability. It can handle up to 4 different filaments at once using Elegoo's Canvas feed system, which allows all 4 filaments to be combined through a single extruder. On top of that, the printer uses RFID detection, which automatically identifies the filament type, color, and even remaining amount. This feature makes multicolor printing simple and reliable, which is a huge advantage for anyone looking to avoid failed prints due to filament confusion or running out mid-print. When it comes to build quality, the Centauri Carbon 2 looks solid and well constructed. It features a sturdy aluminum frame for stability and precise printing, and it has a 256 by 256 by 256 millimeter build volume, which is large enough for most home projects and more advanced designs. The printer also comes with a textured build plate as well as a smooth plate, so you can choose between better adhesion or a smooth finish depending on the project. Having these included is convenient since it reduces the need for extra accessories and makes the printer ready to go right out of the box. In terms of materials, this printer is very versatile. It comes with a hardened steel nozzle that can handle temperatures up to 350 degrees Celsius. That means it's compatible with standard filaments like PLA and ABS, as well as flexible filaments like TPU, and even advanced options such as carbon fiber blends. The heated bed and enclosed chamber help maintain stable temperatures during printing, which is critical for reducing warping or other issues when printing high-temperature materials. This stability makes it reliable for a wide variety of projects, from decorative models to functional parts. The touchscreen interface is another highlight. At 5 inches, it's easy to navigate and lets users control nozzle and bed temperatures, move axes manually, adjust fan speeds, and monitor filament. One of the coolest features is the built-in camera, which allows you to watch prints remotely or create time lapses. This can be especially useful for multi-hour prints when you don't want to sit next to the printer the whole time. The printer is also fully compatible with Elegoo's Elegoo Slicer software, which is beginner-friendly and provides enough control for advanced users. You can import multicolor models, calibrate automatically, adjust settings like layer height, infill percentage, and print speed, and slice your models efficiently. There's also the Matrix app, which enables cloud printing and remote monitoring from a smartphone, making the whole printing experience very accessible and convenient. When it comes to print quality, the Centauri Carbon 2 delivers impressive results for its price. Multicolor prints are clean, layers are well aligned, and transitions between filaments are precise. The printer uses a CoreXY motion system, which allows for faster printing without sacrificing accuracy. Users can expect consistent results across different filaments and print sizes, which is ideal for both beginners and hobbyists working on more complex projects. The filament management system is also well designed. Spools are neatly held in place on labeled holders, and the tubes guide the filament smoothly into the extruder. The RFID system tracks filament usage, so you can see how much material is left before starting a print. This reduces the risk of running out of filament mid-project. The spools are even designed to work with recycled filaments, which is a nice eco-friendly bonus. One thing to note is that the printer is slightly larger than some compact models because of the top-mounted spools and the filament routing system. However, this design is practical because it ensures smooth feeding and reduces the chances of tangles or jams. The printer's layout also allows easy access for maintenance, adjustments, or swapping parts, making it convenient for regular use.
Overall, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2 is a well-rounded printer that balances accessibility, performance, and features. It provides an excellent starting point for beginners who want to experiment with multicolor printing, while also offering advanced capabilities like high-temperature printing, multi-material support, and precise CoreXY motion. The inclusion of features like RFID filament detection, touchscreen control, a built-in camera, and versatile software support make it stand out from other printers in its price range. For those who want to step into multicolor 3D printing or just need a reliable printer to expand their projects, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the printer, its features, or multicolor printing in general, leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer as many as I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.